We're at Sounds of Sunderland in Sunnyside. This festival is massively important for the whole city of Sunderland. It's all Sunderland acts and promoting Sunderland as a city and all the culture and all the great music that we've got.
I think for Sunderland it just means, putting us on the map for music. I think we do need that because I think more people need to recognise that Sunderland's got a lot to offer.
The weather's lovely, it's a great day out for everybody. That's great to be involved in another Sunderland event, you know what I mean? If we can get more of these introduced into town, it's going to be good for everybody.
It's a good showcase of what we can do up here, and it shows the culture that we have. We'll all come and have a drink and enjoy the music all together. It's going to be a good day.
We come all the way from Manchester today to come to this wonderful festival to see these brilliant bands. We're really enjoying it. The ambience of Sunderland.
This has been a really good festival, and I think it's a massive shout out to the council who've really pushed independent bands to be given the opportunity to share their flair, we'll say.
Huge thank you to the organisers, first of all for asking us to play and also for putting this on. We've done a brilliant job.
This festival is fantastic, isn't it? Why would you want to be anywhere else?